So we're seeing what to do when we have a negative exponent, okay? So here I just wrote the general equation. You can have a look at it. Basically what they're saying is that if you do have a negative exponent, there's no way you can calculate that or give me an answer of what that is without changing it into a positive exponent. In order for you to be able to change a negative exponent for it to become positive, it's quite simple actually, and I'm going to say it the simplest way I can. If it's as the numerator, so the number on top, like this is over 1, okay? If it's already in the numerator, you just need to bring it as a denominator. So you bring your whole term basically as a denominator. So 7 to the power of minus 2 equals 1 over 7 to the power of positive 2. Okay? And so my final answer is 1 over 49. Alright? One of the errors would be kids would say minus 49 is the answer. Nope. You need to make sure that you need to change your exponent for it to be positive. Alright, so as you'll see, we're progressing into harder questions. B, I have a numerator that has a negative exponent and I have a denominator that has a negative exponent. So nothing changes. Basically, it's the same steps as this one. If it has a negative exponent, you need to bring it basically to the other part. So what I say is, if it has a negative exponent, it's not happy where it is, it's negative, okay? And so in order to make it positive, I need to put it for this one as a denominator. And this one is already a denominator, not being happy where it is because it has a negative exponent. I need to bring it as a numerator to make it happy, okay? Positive. So this one goes up as the numerator, and this one goes down as a denominator, and their exponent is now positive. Okay? And if I simplify, I'm going to have 9 over 4 and not 6 over 4. Do not make that mistake. 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Okay? And then I'm done. Okay, what happens when this guy's happy, positive, the exponent is positive, but this one isn't? And so this one's happy. Do not move it. Alright? It stays up. And this one needs to go up also. Now what do? I'm going to multiply them together. This happens to be a variable, so how do I show a variable multiplied together? You just basically put it right beside the letter. So while I bring it up, okay, as a numerator, the exponent changes positive. So my final answer would be 2x to the power of 3. And here, this one's happy. This one isn't. The exponent is negative. This one, the exponent is positive. So this one stays where it is, okay? And this one goes down. A lot of kids seem to want to change this into positive. That still stays negative, but the exponent goes positive. And so when you bring it down, you need to multiply by minus 5 to the power of 2. Now the exponent is positive. Okay? What stays on top is a beautiful 1, okay? You just need to bring it down, your 1 stays on top. And so I'm left with 1 to the power, or 1 over 3 times, that's 25, that's positive 25. Because minus 5 to the power of 2 is minus 5 times minus 5, which is 25. So 1 over 75 would be my final answer.